channel. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows like always with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5. I went to the gym for like 2 hours and worked out, so I had to take a nap. I had to take a nap before I filmed a video because I was drained. To clean up my eyebrows, of course, I'm using my foundation, the Fenty Hydrating foundation in 420. Using the Juvia's Place Concealer 13. I'm using 2 eyeshadow palettes, well actually 3 eyeshadow palettes. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Topaz eyeshadow palette and the Huda Beauty Nude Medium eyeshadow palette. So the first color I'm using is this light brown matte eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply that in my crease area, and I might take this color just to deepen it up just a tad and then smoke it out with this color. I might use these two, but I feel like this one is more of a pinky brownish color. So the first color I'm taking is this color, and we're just gonna pack this in my crease. Then to kind of blend it out, just gonna go in with this brush just to blend it out just a little. Use this color just to build it up. I might just take a little of this color. Not bad. You can tell the difference. I'm gonna take this dark brown eyeshadow and just smoke it out on the outer corner. Always, but I think everything needs a gradient. Some type of gradient. First, this gold eyeshadow, and then apply this color in between. Yeah, that'll work. But I feel like I wanted to make it a little bit more metallic. So I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, just going back over it with the same eyeshadow color. The second color, I'm gonna take this color right here. And just layer it on top. So for eyeliner, I'm using the Fenty Felt Black Liquid Eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm using the Fenty mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Bossy, which is the color Raine lashes. The next product I'm using is the Fenty Hydrating primer. Using an LA Girl Pro Corrector in orange. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation in 420. For concealer, I'm using a Kevyn Aucoin concealer in 10 and 12. I'm using a MAC 195 brush. And this is the shade 12. Adding 10, just a little in the inner corner, just a tad. MAC Mineralize face powder in dark deep, and just stipple this all over. Okay, and the next step to add my bronzer, I'm using a Bobbi Brown bronzer in deep. And I'm taking the same contour just to contour my nose. For blush, I'm using MAC Sweet as Cocoa, which is this one right here. And for a highlighter, the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetic Highlighter in Megawatt, and it's more of a copper tone highlighter. To finish off my eyes, Urban Decay eyeliner in Mildew, which is a green color. Kind of drag it down just a little. It's going with my pencil brush by MAC in 219, and just smudge it out. I'm using the Urban Decay Electric palette, lime green, and just pop that in the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For a lip liner, I'm using the Colourpop BFF3 and BFF4. The Huda Beauty Nude Lipstick, which looks like this, and Board Meeting. Using Fenty Peachy Nude in Single. I love mixing my lipsticks. And I'm just gonna go over it with the BFF4. For lip gloss, I'm using Artist Couture Nude Lip Gloss in Uncensored 2.0. My Anastasia Brow Gel